In this video, I am going to show you how to take a high quality snapshot image from a video in VLC Media Player. In VLC Media Player, first you need to enable advanced controls. Click on View tab, then click on Advanced Controls, and you will find here Record button and Snapshot button here. Now you need to open a video in VLC Media Player. Click on Media tab, then click on Open File. Select your video and click on Open, and the video is added. Pause the video, press any key. Now I want to take snapshot of this image. Click on Snapshot button. The image is taken. Minimize VLC Media Player. Now you need to know where the snapshot image is saved. Open File Explorer. Open the default pictures folder, and here you will find the VLC snapshot image. Double click to open. That's it. This is the easiest way to take a snapshot from video on VLC Media Player.